Hello, Ron here at Carlin Park here in Jupiter, Florida. I got the little DJI Neo going here. I'm using the phone to control it here. I'm going to walk along and show you some of the sights here. Show you how this drone can, follow you and avoid. So you just make sure you're walking around trees. It's got me locked in, of course, and you just walk along and it follows you. Even if you walk around palm trees here. Sorry if I'm stumbling around here. I'm kind of on uneven ground here. So it's doing a great job of following me. It's right behind me. I can walk around here. It's sunset, over in this direction here. It may be overwhelming the camera here. And then if I point this direction, we're looking towards the beach. So we've got the good sun on us now. My face should be lit up like a Hollywood star here, with my, sunnies on or whatever. But let's try to walk up here a little bit. See how it does. Yeah, this is the park here. The beach is on the other side of this, jungle here. Let me see if I can walk it to the beach. It's still doing okay. It's followed me pretty good. I'll see if I got anybody coming up here. Nobody seems to be coming, so let's see how it does. Come on, little Neo. Make sure it doesn't hit anything. It's getting windy here, too. Let's hope the Neo can take this wind. Come on, little Neo. It's fighting the wind. Come on, little Neo. This doesn't have sport mode like the other drones. Come on, little Neo. There we go. It made it. It made it down here to the beach. Let's go around here and see if it doesn't hit anything. There's a pole right here. Come on, Neo. Follow me. Follow me, Neo. I'm going to land in my hand. It's going to have a hard time getting around here.